Warm welcome to all of you. I hope you're all doing great. Are you all excited for today's Menti session? Hello Aryan, hello Likita. Well, so everybody, welcome to this mega Menti marathon because we will be looking at the second set of formulas that are needed for your JEE Mains. Your JEE Mains is just in 3 to 4 days time. So people, we need to make sure you guys are all ready and you guys are all thorough with the concepts for it. Okay. So if you joined just now, guys, please go to www.menti.com and use the coupon code 10949376. So if you use that, then you will be a part of it. Okay. So shall we get started, people? Is that all? Is that all? How many of you came prepared? Did you guys study and revise the formulas? Because today I'll be going to chapters like coordinate geometry and I'll be going to chapters like vectors, three-dimensional geometry and so on. So I hope you guys are all ready and excited. And the Menti code and the Menti link have been shared on the chat. The message has been pinned. So I want everybody to join in fast. Once we hit 100 people, I'm going to start. So guys, please hurry up. It is going to be a fantastic session, just like the last one, wherein I will revise not only the formulas which I have brought to you as a question, but rather I will give you the surrounding concept as well. I'm not going to teach you only one set of formula. I will also teach you the surrounding concept so that after the class is over, you guys will have a brief idea of what is important and what is required for your JEE Mains. Okay. Fantastic, Nancy. Yes, we reached 100 already, it seems. Are you guys sure? 100 people have joined in the Menti. If you guys have joined Menti, all the 100 of you, then I will begin. Till then, please invite all your friends. Let people know we are going to begin in 2 minutes. Yes? So people, please hurry up. How is your health? So Lohit Raj, I was not keeping well yesterday. I had a severe headache. So that is why I couldn't take the mega mock test along with Shreyas sir and Wasim sir. But don't worry. Today I have it scheduled at night. As soon as I finish this, then I'll move forward to that. Okay. Yes, Chaitanya, I'll do 11th standard portions also. And fantastic people. Hi Ashita. Hello Icing Thunder. Icing Thunder, it is for May attempt as well. Okay. How many questions are there today? Today also we have 60 questions. So we will do it slowly and steadily. But somehow I will try to cover it. Okay. So let's begin, people. Let's get started with the Menti marathon that I have planned for you. Are you all ready, my dear students? So this is the Menti code. This is the Menti link. Go to menti.com and use this code. And I want you guys to hurry up. I want everybody to reach and come there fast so that we will get started. So let's move ahead, guys. Come on. The next one is over here. So what do we have in store for you today? The first question out of 58 questions. The first question for the day. How many of you are really ready and excited? Can I see some excitement? Look at the number of people, guys. We have insanely high number of participants. So only 75 avatars are shown. So this is crazy. I'm really excited. I want to see who is going to be the topper for today. So last class we had some great participation from people. This also we are going to have a fun time. I really want to see who becomes the topper of the day. Vikas is ready. Lohit is excited. Pragati, yes, I'm going to cover all the remaining chapters. So let's begin, guys. The very first question for all of you will be right on your screen. Now, please do it. Everybody. I want all of you to solve it. Which is the correct substitution for integrals of this type? Which is the correct substitution for integrals of this type? Everybody please respond and once you guys are done with the response, I will go forward and I will explain to you how this is done. Hello Sheikh, welcome man. Yegi Reddy Jyoti, welcome. Very nice to see you. Hi Shreya, welcome Shreya. So we have mixed answers. Look at this. So you guys are learning a lot of cool stuff here, because people, it is not option A, it is not option B. Look at this. 30 people said B, 43 people said A. Rather, the answer is option D, my dear. Only 20 people are correct. Out of how many? 110. Out of 110 participants, only 20 people have got it correct. Why are you wrong? So guys, whenever you have 1 divided by a linear expression in terms of sine and cos, what you have to do is, you have to write it in tan half angles. You have to write it in tan half angles. So what I will do is, I will write, my dear students, sin x as 2 tan x by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square x by 2. I hope you all are aware of that. And cos x is equal to what? 1 minus tan square x by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square x by 2. I taught you this in the last Menti quiz. Do you all remember? I taught you this in the last Menti quiz. Do you all remember this? Venu, I'm giving you 30 seconds, Venu. These are all formulas, na? So you have to be fast. In 30 seconds, you can read it and you should be able to do it. Got it? So please try it out. These are formulas which I taught you. Now, I'm not going to stop here. I'm not going to just tell you why this formula is used. I will prove it to you as well. I will prove it to you why this is simple. Listen carefully, everybody. So what will happen when I make that substitution? I will make it in some other variable, right? Or let's try to write it in a simplified form. So if I write it like that, I will get 1 plus tan square x by 2 dx divided by, I will get a into 2 tan x by 2 plus b into 1 minus tan square x by 2 plus c into 1 plus tan square x by 2. Are you all clear with that? So now I will take tan x by 2 as t. If I take tan x by 2 as t, I will get secant square x by 2 into 1 by 2 dx is equal to dt. Now 1 plus tan square x by 2 is secant square x by 2. So secant square x by 2 dx, secant square x by 2 dx is nothing but 2 dt. So now I can reduce it in a very simple form. So it will be 2 dt by, what will you have? 2a into t plus b into 1 minus t square plus c into 1 plus t square. Now it reduces to a simple form which you guys can do, because I have taught you how to do 1 divided by a quadratic expression. 1 divided by a quadratic it reduces to. After that it is very easy. Did you all understand that? So this is why this substitution is so powerful. Did you like it? Did you all enjoy it? Did you understand it? Very good, because that is what I want. I want you guys not only to mug up these formulas, but also understand why it is used, how it makes your life easy. That you should appreciate. When you appreciate that, you really retain it for a longer time. Got it, my friends? Very good, people. With that same energy and attitude, let's move forward to the next one. Okay. So here we go, people. The very next question. Question number 2 out of 58. So we have a long journey. I hope you will maintain the energy. I will also maintain the energy for you guys, because I am really excited. I want to cover a lot of stuff today. So here we go. Question number 2 right on your screen. Please answer it, my dear students. This is a very important property. Very, very important property. Icing Thunder, you can message me in Instagram. I will help you to enroll into the right crash course. Okay. You can message me at Shimon_Joseph. That is my Instagram ID. And I will tell you exactly what to do. So people, the time is up. I knew it. I knew it. Look at this. Look at this. I wanted this to happen. So, evil smile. Yeah. So guys, 71 people are wrong. Why? Because you just memorized it. You just memorized 2:1. No matter what, 2:1. But guys, come on, you need to learn it the right way. Okay. So it divides the orthocenter and the circumcenter. The centroid will divide in the ratio 2:1. But in the question, if you see, they gave circumcenter first. So circumcenter and orthocenter means the ratio is 1:2, my dear. 1:2. So everybody got caught because you didn't pay attention to the question. Okay, you didn't pay attention to the question. Mohita Balaji, you have to go to menti.com. So all those students who are saying, sir, I also want to be a part of this quiz. How can I be a part of it? How can I answer the questions like all your students over here? Guys, if you want to answer this, you need to go to www.menti.com and use the code 10949376. So go to www.menti.com. That's all you need to do. Got it? So everybody cool with it? All of you? So the answer is 1:2 because they said circumcenter first and then they said orthocenter. So that case it will be 1:2. So the way I remember it is, I remember it like this. You remember the company ONGC? ONGC is a famous oil company in India. It is called as Oil and Natural Gas Corporation. So ON is orthocenter, C is circumcenter, G is centroid. ON has two letters, so 2. Centroid is G, circumcenter is C, it has only one letter, so 2:1. This is the way I remember, you will never forget it. Did you all like it? How many of you enjoyed this ONGC rule? Exactly, Shiny, you're right. Fantastic. Anirudh, to be more efficient, what I've decided is, after every 10 questions only, I will show you the leaderboard. So that you guys also will be more interactive, more energetic, and we will be very efficient as a team. Got it? So let's not look at the leaderboard every quiz. After every quiz, that will be taking away a lot of time. Okay? So let's look at it after 10 quizzes. And guys, please don't ask general questions now. Ranveer, I will answer all the general questions at the end. Okay? Because it will take away a lot of time. Please understand. Everybody, please understand, because if I start answering everybody's general question, it will take a lot of time. So don't get upset. Rather, focus on the session, give your full attention. After the session is over, I will talk to you for some time. Okay? So let's go, people. Here we go to the next question. I hope you're all ready. The very next question for you guys is right on your screen. And it is question number 3. Everybody ready? So here we go, people. Question number 3 for all of you. Very good, Ankit. Hello, Asta. I am so happy you are enjoying it. Hello, Sai Manikanta Bollam. Welcome, man. Great to have you here. Welcome, welcome. Lovely, lovely to see you, people. So what is the answer for this? Let me see how many of you are getting it correct. I am really curious to know that. This is a very important formula, guys. Okay, very, very important formula. Self-study book, Cengage is the best book, Ranveer. Cengage. Joy Noy, welcome, man. So people, everybody, the majority have nailed it. Look at this percentage. 114, that is crazy high. Very good, people, good job. I'm happy. So let me explain the formula. Okay, let me explain the formula. Very simple. So we have a straight line, my dear kids. Okay, we have a straight line. What is a straight line? Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. That is a straight line. Now we have a point P, which is, let's say, alpha comma beta, and I want to find the image of P. The image of P, P dash, let's call it, which is h comma k. So how do I find this h comma k? That is given by the formula h minus alpha by a is equal to k minus beta by b is equal to, you will substitute this point here, okay, minus 2 times of a alpha plus B beta plus C divided by, don't put root over here. Many people do that mistake. When I was a student, I used to do that mistake. When I was a student, I used to by mistake put root here. Because we confuse this with the distance of a point from a straight line. So we try to mix it, okay? So please be very careful, don't put a root over here. It is just a square plus b square. Are you all clear? So this is a formula for image of a point. Now, I always teach you something extra. So what is the foot of perpendicular? The same type. Let's say you have a line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. And I have a point, let's say p alpha comma beta. Now I want to find the point Q, which is the foot of perpendicular of P onto this line. So that is found out by a very similar formula, very similar. You will almost think they are the same, but they are not. Okay, so it is nothing but A alpha plus B beta plus C divided by A square plus B square. What is the only difference? Here I have 2, here I have 1. That's it. That's the only difference. So if you put 1 times, you will get the foot of perpendicular. If you put 2 times, you will get the image of the point. Did you all like it? Yes? Yes, Shreyas. I will move faster. Yes, Mayank, you will be getting the notes of this session right after the class is over. So shall we move forward, guys? Did you all like it? Fantastic. One Punch Man, the derivation is Laddu Man. It's very basic. You guys can try doing that. However, for exam, if you know the formula, it is good enough. Derivation is a piece of cake. The slope of these two should be perpendicular to this, and the midpoint of these two should lie on the line. So 2 equations, 2 unknowns, you solve it and you get the answer. Got it? Yes, let's move faster. Otherwise, we will be running short of time. So people, this is the next question. Question number 4 for all of you guys. So here we go, people. Your countdown begins. I want every person to participate. And guys, in case you want to be a part of these sessions, you need to go to www.menti.com and use the code 10949376. So please join us in menti.com so that we will all have a fantastic time. Okay, so time is up. I hope you guys are all clear. So what did we have? We wanted to find the equation of tangent to a circle. So 82 people were right. I'm kind of surprised why the others do not know it. Why 31 people have gone wrong in option D? Why 24 people have chosen A? I'm not too sure, but guys, I will explain it. Please listen carefully. Whenever you have x square plus y square equal to a square, the tangent to this circle with a slope of m will be like this. A into root of 1 plus m square. Are you all clear with this, my dear students? I'm sure everybody remembers this. Yes? So shall I move forward? This was a very simple one, right? Yes, Vaishali. Yes, Ritvik. Guys, I will definitely go faster. I'm just telling you the answer. M is the slope of the line, Krish Maheshwari. M is the slope of tangent. It can be anything. So for any slope, you will find 2 tangents, and those 2 tangents are given by this formula. Did you understand it now? So let's move forward. Let's not spend too much time because these are all Laddu questions. Okay, just like your friends are telling. So people, question number 5 for everybody. Right on your screen, I want maximum participation. So in case you joined right now, please go to menti.com. Be a part of this wonderful quiz. I want everybody to join in. I want maximum participation. So please try doing that, people. Akshat, I will try to explain a bit detail if it is very important. But if it is very basic, I will move faster, Akshat. Okay, because these things are very easy, Akshat. You need to understand that. Okay, you look at the number of right answers. That itself tells you. 120 people very quickly have answered it right. Because these are all straightforward things which every serious JEE aspirant is supposed to know. So I don't want to spend too much time here. Got it? So the question is, Akshat, we have y square equal to minus 4ax. So this parabola will be looking like this. It will be a leftward opening parabola. So the focus will be somewhere here, my dear students. So the focus is given by minus a comma 0, and many of you are right. I'm so happy for you. I'm so happy. So shall I move forward? Can I finish it? Everybody happy? Can you all give me a thumbs up? Can you all give me a yo? Very good, Aryan. Very good, Jyoti. You guys are fabulous. Amazing work, people. So let's proceed to the next question, which is question number 6, my dear students. Question number 6. Everybody ready? I want 200 people here. Come on, guys. All those who are a part of this YouTube class, please go to menti.com. You are missing out on the fun. Don't lose heart, because I am in the 6th question only right now. Even if you join now, you can go and make it to the top of the leaderboard. Please understand that. Okay. So here we go. The next question, question number 6. And people, this is an English channel. So I will not be able to speak in Hindi. And moreover, I don't know Hindi, guys. So please don't mind that. I will talk very slowly in English so that all my lovely students will understand it. Okay. So if you want me to explain it a bit slower, just let me know. I will help you out. As long as you are sincerely following, you guys are all putting some effort, I will definitely speak a bit slower. Okay. Fantastic, people. What is the equation of directrix? So the answer, my dear students, is option C. And I'm so happy, again, majority have got it right. But the only thing is, why did so many people go wrong? Why did 66 people go to A and B? So let me explain it. Please listen carefully. Hello, Shuyash. Welcome, man. Very good, Aditi. I'm so happy to see you here. Okay. So guys, please listen carefully. So we have an ellipse, x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. So I will have a very nice ellipse like this. Okay. Are you all clear with it? So we want to know what is the equation of our directrix given that a is greater than b. So if a is greater than b, then the ellipse will be horizontally elongated, and the eccentricities, if it is given as e, then the directrix will be x equal to a by e and x equal to minus a by e. So the equation of directrix will be x is equal to plus or minus a by e. Are you all clear, my dear students? Are you all clear with it? Everybody? Brilliant, brilliant, guys. Fantastic. Yes, very good, very good. Did you all understand this? Guys, this is only for a greater than b. This is only for a greater than b. So if a is less than b, you need to do for the vertically elongated ellipse. That will be a different one. Got it? Very good, one punch man. I'm so happy you are enjoying it. Aditi, this is an English channel, Aditi. So we will speak only in English. I hope you don't mind that. Guys, please understand that this is an English channel. It is majorly meant for the English speaking audience. Got it? So try to manage. I will be a bit slow. Got it? So let's move forward, my dear students. Let's go ahead. We are now moving on to the 7th question, and I really want everybody to participate with full enthusiasm. Okay? Come on, people. Let's get it going. Fantastic, Nancy. So the foci of this hyperbola I want you to find. These are all very basic formulas which I feel everybody should be able to answer. And that is why I gave you very little time, almost only 30 seconds. Ankit, how to master formulas? By practicing many questions. Solve NCRT, solve Cengage. Be excited about solving. Only then you get better at it. Okay. So guys, this is a hyperbola. For hyperbola, Aishwarya, a greater than b, b greater than a does not matter. So don't ever make that mistake. Aishwarya, please don't do that. Everybody clear with it? So guys, whenever you have a hyperbola, there are only two hyperbolas, Aishwarya. X square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. Or you can have y square by b square minus x square by a square equal to 1. So these are the two hyperbolas. This is the conjugate one, which looks like this. Okay, but what I gave you in the question, Aishwarya, was this one. So it will be a normal hyperbola, which will be looking like this. So the foci of this will be AE, 0 with a minus sign here, and here it will be AE, 0. So it will be plus or minus AE, 0. Did you guys understand that, everybody? Did you all like it? So Aryan, xy equal to c square is called as a rectangular hyperbola. That is different. Did you all understand this now? Can you all give me a yo or a yes in the chat, my dear students? If you have any question, please do let me know. Ruby, I will let you know, Ruby, definitely after March JEE Mains, we will start off something for my 11th wonderful ninjas as well. Fantastic people, I'm so happy you guys are all following it. So Aishwarya, I hope your doubt is cleared, and the others, I hope you're all clear with it. Harish, please pull the video a little bit back and watch it again. These are all very simple formulas. I feel you're supposed to know this by now because your exam is just 2 days away. Okay, so just pull the video back, Harish, because we have 58 questions to cover. I cannot go slower. Please look at it by yourself, guys. I hope you guys are fine with it. So here we go, people. Let's move on to the next question. Everybody try to solve it. The eccentricity of an ellipse when A is less than B. This is a good question. This is a good question. Thank you, Ritvik. That is so sweet of you, man. I will definitely do my best to help you as well. Okay. Very good, guys. You are all awesome. Definitely, Shreyas, I will take some classes for JEE Advanced as well. Don't worry. So what is the answer? Let me see how many of you guys are right. So again, you see, people have gone wrong. How many people have gone wrong? 68. This is solid wrong answer. Solid wrong answer. Because guys, I told you, whenever you have an ellipse like this, x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, and they said a is less than b, then your eccentricity, my dear, is nothing but 1 minus a square by b square. Are you all okay with that? So your b square e square will be equal to b square minus a square. Are you able to follow that? So that is how you solve it, my dear students. It changes. So whenever a is greater than b, your eccentricity is equal to 1 minus b square by a square. And this is what everybody remembers. But for this question, it will be 1 minus a square by b square. Vaishali, it was mentioned, Vaishali. Just pull the video back and have a look at it. Just pull my video back and have a look at it. Very good, Harish. Very good. Brilliant job, guys. Yes, Akshat, of course I will. I will not be doing a lot of videos, but definitely I'll do videos on JEE Advanced, which can help you to get a better rank. Very good, people. Gaurav, Krish, Vaishali, you guys are fantastic. Now let's move forward to the 9th question. Guys, I'm gonna show you the leaderboard. So please try to answer it correctly. Okay. If you answer it correctly, then you might be at the top of the leaderboard. So here we go, people. The 9th question for everybody is right on your screen. Please try it out. What are the endpoints of lattice rectum for this parabola y square equal to 4ax? I have given you the answers in the options here. Now you decide which one is correct. Okay, I want all of you to try it out. Come on, people. Abhiman, if you know it, it's fine, man. It's okay. I just explained to you how eccentricity is written. Okay, so don't worry about it. If you know it's fine. Akshita, we will check it, Akshita. Yes, Ritika, absolutely. You will be able to revise a lot of formulas by this method. Okay, so try to follow. I'm sure you will benefit from this. So again, you see a lot of people have gone wrong. I don't know why again. So let me explain it, people. Please pay attention. Let's try to understand what is lattice rectum, why it is option C which is the right answer. Okay, everybody listen carefully. So we have a parabola y square equal to 4ax. So y square equal to 4ax is my standard parabola. Okay, so what is lattice rectum? Lattice rectum is a double ordinate. What is a double ordinate? Double ordinate is a perpendicular line to the axis which cuts the parabola at 2 points. Now, if you take a double ordinate which passes through the focus, that is called as my lattice rectum. If the double ordinate passes through focus, that double ordinate is called as lattice rectum. So the x coordinate, my dear students, will be A for both these points. The x coordinate will be A for both these points. So this is wrong, and this is also wrong. So that itself tells me clearly this is the answer. So if x coordinate is A, what will be my y coordinate? If I put x equal to A, it will be 4a square. So y will be plus or minus 2a. So that is why you will get a comma plus 2a and a comma minus 2a. Did you all understand how I derived it? This you should keep in mind. I hope you guys liked it. So that is the benefit of attending these sessions. Very quickly you will revise some of the most important concepts required for your JEE Advanced and JEE Mains. Everybody clear with it? Perfect. Yes. I will move a bit faster. So people, this is the 10th question. After this question, I will show you the leaderboard. So here we go. Question number 10 for all of you. Shakti, my health is better today. Yesterday I had headache. That's why I could not take the session. But today I'm back. I'm healthy. I'm strong. And I'm really excited for this. So people, I want you to find out the length of conjugate axis for this hyperbola. Guys, there's a -1 here. So please be careful. Don't blindly answer. Don't blindly answer. I want you all to answer correctly. Okay. Please go for it, my dear students. I want this to hit 200. Why is this not going to 200? Can I know why? People, try to participate. Go to menti.com and use this coupon code. Everybody who are watching it in YouTube, guys, you can be a part of this quiz. This is a live class. I am right now teaching you. So if you want to be a part of this quiz, go to menti.com and use this code so that you can join and you also can participate. Understood? So let me explain it to you how to solve this question. So first of all, the hyperbola that we are given is nothing but your conjugate hyperbola, right? So you have what hyperbola? You have like this. Did you all understand that? You have a hyperbola like this. So if you have a hyperbola like this, this is called as your transverse axis. This is called as your transverse axis. So this black color line, the y-axis, is your transverse axis, and the length of transverse axis is from here to here. This is the length of transverse axis, which will be 2b. So the conjugate axis for this hyperbola will be along the x-axis. The conjugate axis will be along the x-axis, and of course it will be of length 2a. So that is why 2a is my answer. I hope you guys loved it. Did you all like this? Everything conceptually we go. We understand it. We try to break it down to simpler substances and then we move forward. Fantastic, right? Did you all enjoy it, guys? So shall I move forward? So here you learned some great thing. Yes, Samir, please tell me what is your doubt. The best thing you learned today in this particular question. Guys, please don't tell me to go fast. I want to explain something here. So please listen to me. I will not explain something which is dumb. I will explain something which is good. Whenever you have a hyperbola, always remember transverse axis is the one which joins to focus. That's it. Transverse axis is the axis joining the focus. Conjugate axis is the other one. This is how you remember. Because people, in ellipse, it is very easy to find out major axis, minor axis. Very simple. Major axis is the longer one, minor axis is the shorter one. Very easy. But in hyperbola, it is not very obvious. The wordings used in hyperbola are transverse and conjugate. So transverse is the one which joins the foci, and conjugate is the one which is apart from this. Got it? I hope you guys are all clear. Everybody, fantastic people. So that is how it is defined, Samir. I hope you got it. So with that, let us move forward and move on to the first leaderboard exhibit of the day. Okay, so here we go, people. The first leaderboard exhibit, and we have fantastic participation. So we see Aishwarya right at the top, followed by Vivek. Vikas is again there. Rishi, Vaishali, Dhanush, Nirupan is also there. Modit, KV and Kiran. You guys are fabulous. Keep it up, people. You guys are rocking. This is the first leaderboard exhibit. I have 48 more questions to go. So are you ready? Let's go forward, people. Come on. The 11th question is over here. Let's move forward and tackle it down. I want everybody to participate. I want more students to join in. Go to menti.com, use the code, and I want to see 200 people here. I want to see 200 people. Let us see if you guys can make it 200. Everybody spread the word. I want maximum participation so that #1 spot will be difficult to get. Okay? So what is the equation of tangent to a parabola? It's a very simple question, straightforward, and I'm so happy you guys have got it. Rajat, I will definitely inform you. Please wait for it. We have some lot of fun series planned for you guys. So when you have this parabola, the equation of tangent is given by y equal to mx plus a by m. So this is the equation of tangent to the parabola y square equal to 4ax having slope m. Are you all clear with this? So shall I move forward? Did you all know this? If you did not know this, make a note of it. For this parabola, if you want a tangent of slope m, this is how you do it. Everybody cool? So let's proceed, guys. Brilliant job. So next question. Question number 12 for all of you. Please do it, my dear children. Everybody, let's hurry up. We will hurry up and we will complete it. So this is again equation of tangent to an ellipse at a point a cos theta comma b sin theta. Everybody, please try to solve it. I want all of you to try it out. Guys, if you spam, you will get blocked. You will never be allowed in this channel. Why do you spam? I don't understand. Okay? You are unnecessarily ruining your chance. You are learning something good. You are unnecessarily ruining your chance. You will be kicked out of this channel and you will never come back. Okay? So please don't spam. As simple as that. Okay? So guys, this is option B, which is the right answer. So let's see how to solve this question. Okay? So everybody listen carefully. So we have a general point a cos theta comma b sin theta, right? I want to find out the equation of tangent to this ellipse at the point a cos theta comma b sin theta. Are you all clear? Everybody? Are you all fine with this? Fantastic. So now, how do you find the equation of tangent to this ellipse at this point? I want everybody to answer me fast, very quickly. Very easy question, guys. So whenever you are given equation of a conic section and you're asked to find the tangent, what you have to do is you have to write it as xx1 by a square plus yy1 by b square equal to 1. So I will change x square to xx1, y square to yy1. That's it. Now what is the point x1? x1 is this point. What is the point y1? y1 is this one, right? So in place of x1, I will put a cos theta. So it will be x cos theta by a plus y sin theta by b is equal to 1. Are you all clear with it, everybody? All of you? Yes, Amrita, Isha, welcome, welcome guys. All of you fine with this? Very good guys, fantastic. Jugal, yes, of course you will be able to solve the basic questions. You need to push yourself to solve the advanced level questions. Okay. For JEE Mains, what I taught you is more than enough jugal. So let's proceed, guys. I hope you enjoyed this question. Now moving on to the 13th question that I have for all of you. I hope all of you guys are ready. Now please try to answer this. I'm slowly trying to refresh your coordinate geometry. Okay, I'm trying to refresh your coordinate geometry. I'm doing circles, straight lines, ellipse, hyperbola, parabola and everything. Okay, so please try to do this. Be very involved, be active. Isha, I am from Chennai. I teach from Bangalore, but I basically am from Chennai. So you need to find the equation of tangent to a hyperbola. Just now I taught you. See, it has improved. The number has improved because you guys are awesome. So many students are very smart in this gang. So even if you are learning this for the first time, I see some improvement. That itself is a good sign. So x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. That is the hyperbola. So how do I find the tangent to it? I told you, just replace x square by xx1 and replace y square by yy1. That is all you need to do, my dear children. That's it. This is the equation of tangent. Laddu question. Laddu question. Okay? Yes? All of you clear with it? Yes, Akshat, you can differentiate, find out the slope and then you can do it. Clear? So let us move forward, guys. Now, the next question for all of you is right on your screen. The 14th question. I want all of you to try it out. Thank you, Surendra. I'm so happy you guys are enjoying it. Guys, I don't know how many of you realize how important this is. 2 days before the exam, you are revising formula with a teacher like a game. That's something awesome, right? So many people are understanding that you guys are very sweet, you guys are very serious. But some of you are very casual, you come to distract the class. So that is not right now. Because I am very serious because your exam is 2 days away. I realize the importance. Okay, so try to maintain that level of seriousness which I have for you. Got it? So the answer is 67 people have got it correct. So it is nothing but the equation of tangent in parametric form. So Krish, it is not the same type of question, man. So I gave you equation of tangent in slope form. Now I gave you equation of tangent in parametric form and equation of normal in parametric form. So that is very important. So I am trying to cover all aspects. So for example, if you take parabola y square equal to 4ax, the equation of normal at a parametric point at square comma 2at is given by what? Is given by tx plus y is equal to 2at plus at cube. That is the answer. So this is a direct formula which I want you to remember. So now those who did not know it before will at least make an effort to learn it. Those who did not know it before will at least make an effort to learn it. Are you all clear? So that attitude you should have. That is the best thing about attending this class, man. If you are just coming to play and go, there is no point. Okay, this class is to expose your weakness. When you are attending the full session, you will know these places I am weak, I need to cover it. That is the whole point. Okay, so please listen carefully, guys. Shall I move forward? This is the equation of tangent in parametric form. Got it? So let us move forward to the next one because I have many questions. And today's session is not only conic section, guys. Conic section is a starting point. I will move forward to other topics also. I have 3D, I have vectors, I have statistics, I have mathematical reasoning. So many chapters are coming up. Complex numbers, quadratic. So please wait for some time, be serious and we will move forward. Got it? So m is the slope of the tangent to this ellipse, then the equation of normal. This usually people don't study, but because you attended this session, you will learn it. Got it? This people usually don't know. I'm sure many of you will find it hard. And you will see in the answer. That shows the experience of teacher. Got it? You will see in your answers now. There are people who might be knowing it. There are people who might not be knowing it. Look at it. Didn't I say it before? Okay, so this is the formula for equation of normal. Are you guys fine with it? So now that you guys have learnt it, make sure you remember it, you practice questions based on it. Okay, that is fantastic. Yes, Vaibhav, I did my B.Tech from IIT Madras. I passed out and I got into teaching. I teach maths at Vedantu. Okay, so people, please remember slope of normal slope form for parabola, ellipse and hyperbola. You need to learn it. Make sure you learn it. Most importantly for parabola. For parabola, what is the slope form? If I have y square equal to 4ax, the slope form of normal equation is given by what? Y equal to mx minus 2am minus am cube. I hope you guys remember that. So please try to do the same for ellipse and hyperbola also. Not very important, but it's better you know. For parabola, pakka important. This is important. That's why I wrote it. But for ellipse and hyperbola, it is not very important. But if you guys know it, it is good. Where to learn it? SL Loni. You have the book, you do it from that. If you don't have the book, download it online. It's available. Got it? So please know that. Let's move forward. And I will share the session PDF for you at the end of the class so that you guys can go through it and learn from that as well. So this is the 16th question. I want everybody to participate. So let's keep going, guys. Come on. So this is a line which is a tangent to the parabola. So if it is tangent to the parabola, it will touch at a certain point. It will touch at a certain point. What is that point at which this line will touch this curve? Everybody please try to solve it. So the book which I told was SL Loni. SL Loni is a very good book for your coordinate geometry. Okay, so people, what is the answer for this? The answer for this is option D. So many people have got it right. Again, the majority is dominating. Very, very happy. Brilliant job, guys. So let me explain it to you. So whenever you have y is equal to mx plus a by m, I told you it is going to be tangential to y square equal to 4ax. So if it is tangential to y square equal to 4ax, what does it mean? It means it will be a line like this. Okay. So I drew it wrong. So it will be a line somewhat like this. Let's say it will be tangential. So it will touch the parabola at some point. I want to understand what is this point. So if you are given the line, tangent line in this form, and if you are given the curve, then the point of intersection, my dear students, is nothing but am square comma 2a by m. A by m square, I'm sorry. A by m square comma 2a by m. That will be the equation, or that will be the expression for finding out the point of contact. Everybody clear with it? So shall we all move forward? Everybody cool with it? No problem. So guys, if you want to join the Menti quiz, you have to go to menti.com. I hope you're all fine with it. Go to menti.com, use this code. Only then you can participate in this quiz. So shall we move forward? So Andalaya Pakir, what you have to do is, whenever you have a tangent y equal to mx plus a by m, and you have a parabola y square equal to 4ax, this tangent will touch this parabola at one point, na? Because tangents always please understand, tangents always touch the parabola at one point. That one point is given by this formula, a by m square comma 2a by m. Are you okay with it? That is what I have explained. That is what I have written here. Clear? This is a formula session, so I will explain only the formula. Guys, I cannot derive the concept for you. This is not the session for it. Okay? So let's move forward. So next question for you is right on your screen. I want a lot of people here. Come on, people. I want more people to be a part of this Menti quiz. We are only in the 17th question. So don't give up. Come to menti.com. Use this code. Join in. You might even get the first place. Okay. So here we go. So here you have a straight line touching the hyperbola. Then what is the condition on C? This is a good question. It can be asked in your exam as well. Okay. So when will a line y equal to mx plus c be tangential to this hyperbola? You need to think about it and you guys need to answer it. I want everybody to participate. Come on, people. Hi Sai Manideep, welcome man. Hi Korak, welcome Korak. So the answer, let's see how many of you are getting it correct this time. It is nothing but option A, and you guys are fabulous. Many of you have got it correct. This was a simple question. So when you have x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1, and if you have y equal to mx plus c, when will it be tangential? It will be tangential when c square is equal to a square m square minus b square. So this is the condition for hyperbola. For ellipse, what is the condition? If you have x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, and if you want y equal to mx plus c to be a tangent, then your c square should be equal to a square m square plus b square. That is the condition for ellipse. This is the condition for hyperbola. So important, these are all. You can be asked questions on this. Did you all like it? Did you guys understand this? Everybody? Fantastic, Ritik. You are right, Ritik. For ellipse, plus will come. For hyperbola, minus will come. Are you cool with it? Shall I move forward? Yes, Anirban. So if you have a hyperbola like this, Anirban, this is a hyperbola, na? So for this hyperbola, I want this general line. When I have y equal to mx plus c, na, Anirban, it's a general line because you have two parameters. When you have two parameters, it is a general specific line. If I want it to be tangential to this hyperbola, then there should be some condition on C. That condition on C is given by this formula. Did you understand it? That is what I have given you. How do you derive it? You substitute y is equal to mx plus c over here. You will get a quadratic in x. That quadratic discriminant you will put 0. Because if discriminant is 0, you will have equal roots. Why equal roots? Because when you are having a tangent, it will be touching the curve. When you touch a curve, you have two equal roots. That is how you derive it. That is how you derive it. Did you like it? Okay. Fantastic. Okay. So people, with that, we will move forward. For conjugate, generally in mains, they don't ask. But for advanced, if they ask, Ritik, what you have to do is, you basically substitute y as mx plus c and you solve it. That will be a better way of doing it. This is valid only for this hyperbola. X square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. I hope you are clear. Got it? So people, let's move forward. Yes, 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 students. I am trying to go fast. I am explaining it only because some of your friends are having problem. Okay. So Chandu Prasad, you have to go to menti.com and use this code to participate. I would love you to participate, so please join in. Okay. So let's go forward. Here we go. 19th question. Thank you, Ramuji. That is so sweet of you, man. No problem. I'm glad to teach you guys, and specifically at this point of time. Your exam is just, 2 days away. I know how serious it is. I know how serious it is. So I will support you, but you guys also should be very cooperative. You should also try to understand. And please don't spam in the chat. That is something which I really like. Ask me doubts, I don't mind, but don't spam the chat. Okay? Fantastic. So people, again, we have a lot of people going wrong. Why? And you know what? This is very bad. Abhinav, just a few more minutes, Abhinav. I will change different topic, okay? Very, very few minutes. The reason I gave you so many formulas is because coordinate geometry has a weightage of 20%. That is good weightage, na? That is why I spent a lot of time. But don't worry, after 2-3 questions, I will change it. And now, coming to scolding. Guys, what are you doing? Are you sleeping? I just gave you this formula, man. Just 5 minutes back, I told you this formula. And 74 people went wrong. I am getting mini heart attack only now. What? You just have the exam in 2 days' time. Don't do this. Okay. So you have y square equal to 4ax. And you want to find the normal to this, right? The normal to this is what? In slope form. Y equal to mx minus 2am minus am cube. Just now I gave it to you. So this is your C, right? That is your C. So your C is equal to what, my dear? My dear, it is minus 2am minus am cube. Okay? So don't make a mistake in this. Unnecessarily you lose marks. Everybody clear? All of you fine with it? Very good, Aryan. Very good, guys. All equations are confusing together. That is why you need to be very frequent in going through these things. So, yes, I will reduce the brightness. I will definitely reduce the brightness. I think now it should be fine. I have reduced it. So, let's move forward to the next one, guys. Everybody, let's go to the next one. Adityam, Gopalakrishnan, Kashi, Vishwanathan, please let me know what is the doubt. Okay. So here we go, people, to the next question, 19th one. The leaderboard is going to come soon. The leaderboard is going to come soon. Priyanshu Behra, the link is shared on the chat. Look at the chat. On the top, right, there is a pinned message. There is a pinned message. So go to that pinned message and you can join. Okay. And Kashi Vishwanathan, these equations are supposed to be known. This is a formula revision session, not formula teaching session. Got it? So this is just to revise. So you can participate along with all your lovely students out here. You can try to compete with them and we will all revise these formulas together because your exam is in 2 days. How did I get those equations? That I cannot tell you now because this is a formula revision series. Got it? So try to follow us, learn these formulas. You see how they are derived when you are studying on your own. Got it? Exactly. Lot of questions are coming, Sujal. That's okay, man. You guys are awesome. So I don't worry. I don't mind. But effectively, if you are learning, I'm happy. The lattice rectum of this ellipse. Guys, who is that? Vaishali. Look at this, Vaishali. A is less than B. Okay. So note that and tell me the answer. Don't go wrong. If you have any doubts, please stop me and ask. If you ask me, I will always help you. But if it is derivation, if it is, sir, how did this formula come? That I cannot answer. If there is a mistake in the concept, if there is a mistake in the formula, I can help you. Got it? I hope that makes sense. So people, the answer again is nothing but your option C, and only 55 people have got it correct. Why? What was the question? What was the question? Can anybody tell me? Because I need to solve. I forgot. I didn't see the question. Okay, the lattice rectum. Now I remember. Okay, so lattice rectum for this ellipse, right? So you have an ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. And your a is less than b. So you need to find the lattice rectum. In this case, the lattice rectum is 2a square by b. Very common question, and you guys correctly got caught where I wanted. You guys correctly got caught where I wanted you to be trapped. Because everybody mugs up this formula. Lattice rectum, 2b square by a. That's it. Without even knowing anything, lattice rectum is 2b square by a. But you have to be careful. When you have an ellipse where your b is greater than a, that means you have a vertical ellipse. That means the ellipse will be like this. So when you have an ellipse like this, the lattice rectum, my dear students, will be what? LR is equal to 2a square by b. Don't forget that ever. Don't forget that ever. Did you all like it? Priyanshu, what is the doubt, Priyanshu? Please let me know. Very good, Perumal Sendil, welcome, man. Very good, Rajshekar. That's fantastic. So shall I move forward? Brilliant, Shakti. You guys are awesome. Very good, Vaishali. Good, good, good. Confused in formula. That is why this series is there, Priyanshu. Now you know what to revise. So make sure after this class, you guys go and revise everything what I taught you today. Okay, Arya, please tell me what is your doubt, Arya. I will definitely answer everybody's doubt. Okay, so guys, after this question, I will show you the leaderboard. After this question, I will show you the leaderboard. So please wait for it. Harshavardhan Badule, it is 2a square by b. That is the lattice rectum for an elongated ellipse. Got it? Thank you, Sagar. I am so happy you are enjoying the class. So people, let's go to the next question. The 20th one. After this, I am so excited to see the leaderboard. So people, come on. Let's do this. What is a scalar product of two vectors? Laddu question. I hope nobody will make a mistake here. Otherwise, I am going to have a difficult time digesting the answers. Okay. So please try to get it correct, guys. Come on. Everybody, what is the answer? You guys are awesome. Very good. So there were a few people who said mod A, mod B, sin theta. Guys, your scalar product A dot B, na? It is actually equal to mod A, mod B, cos theta. Got it? It is not sin theta because sin theta comes for cross product. So your A cross B, na? That will be mod A, mod B, sin theta into n cap. That is your A cross B. Please understand that. That is called as vector product. This is called as dot product or scalar product. Everybody fine with it? Very simple. I'm sure you would have got it. So let's not waste time here. Let's look at the leaderboard now. Yes, Asta. So finally, we have moved on to a different chapter. I hope you guys realize that. Did you all realize that? We have moved to a different chapter. Okay. Very good. Very good. So now the leaderboard has changed a bit. So it was Aishwarya who was on top, but now Vivek has caught up, followed by Aishwarya, Rishi, Kraz, Vikas, Dikshita, KV, Royal Pirate, Vaishali and Nirupan. You guys are killing it. You guys are fabulous. So shall we go to the next one? No problem, guys. Many of you have joined late, so don't worry. We still have 38 questions to go. We still have 38 questions to go, so don't worry, you can still catch up. Shall we go? Here we move to the next one. Are you all ready for the next 10 questions? Fantastic, people. Yes, Sagar, I did that in the last class. Sagar, this is the second session, man. There was one more session before this. Check it out in my channel. I did integration there. So here we go, people. Come on. Hello, Jay Ajinkya. Welcome. So this is a question on vectors. How do you find angle between two vectors? So you have A vector over here, you have B vector over here. So how do you find the angle between them? That is the question. Please think about it and answer. Don't be in a hurry. Don't be in a hurry. If you are in a hurry, you will go wrong. Okay, I can pakka tell you will go wrong if you are in a hurry. Again, people, come on, come on, come on. So hard, quite easy, but look at the answer. I'm sure it'll be surprising. I knew it. I knew it. I don't know what to tell, man. Seriously. You guys are so hasty. You guys are so in a hurry that you do something wrong and still you are confident about it. Sir, pakka A, sir. What an easy question. But you answered wrong. Because guys, the answer is option C, man. You didn't even see it properly. So it was A1 I cap plus A2 j cap plus A3 k cap. This was A vector. And B vector was what? B1 I cap plus B2 j cap plus B3 k cap. So the dot product A dot B is what? A dot B is A1 B1 plus A2 B2 plus A3 B3, and that is equal to mod A mod B cos theta. So what is cos theta? cos theta is equal to a1 b1 plus a2 b2 plus a3 b3 divided by modulus of a, which is square root of a1 square plus a2 square plus a3 square into root of b1 square plus b2 square plus b3 square. Such an easy question, and you guys have done a1 a2 plus something else. Why? Don't do that. Okay, you guys have written a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2. That was not even there. Okay, so don't make that mistake. Try to be careful. Okay, that is a lesson you learn from here. Guys, don't take it lightly. Okay, don't take it lightly. I know it's funny. Everybody had a good laugh, but it should hurt you, because this mistake, if you did in the exam, then there will be no one laughing. Everybody will be crying. Everybody will be like feeling bad inside, because you lost 4 marks for nothing. Okay, so don't take it very casually, but definitely work on it. Next one. So the next question is 23rd question, right on your screen. Please try to solve it. So what is a unit vector which is perpendicular to the plane of two given vectors a and b? What is the unit vector which is perpendicular to the plane of two given vectors a and b? I want everybody to answer. Please try to do it, my dear students. All of you try to solve it. This also I taught you in vector session. So we had 72 people getting it correct, but 55 people have gone wrong. Why? So people, please listen carefully. If you have two vectors a and b, I will teach you very clearly in an easy manner. Listen carefully. So we'll have, let's say, two vectors like this. We'll have a vector like this. We'll have b vector like this. So what is a cross b? A cross b will be perpendicular to this plane. So I will point my fingers towards a. I will curl it towards b. And my thumb will point towards the direction of a cross b. So a cross b will be a vector pointing outwards. Everybody clear? But that is not all. I want a unit vector. So a cross b is a vector pointing outwards divided by modulus will give me a unit vector. So that is how you do it, my dear students. That is how you do it. Everybody clear? Are you all fine with it? So shall I move forward? So that is how you get option A. Option A was a cross b divided by modulus of a cross b. Fantastic, people. So now with that understanding, let's go to the next one, people. Yes, Rekha, Sati, we will go to the next one. Here we have it. 24th question. Please try to solve it, my dear students. All of you. So people, if you want to join the Menti quiz, go to www.menti.com and use the code 10949376. You have to go to www.menti.com. Chaitanya, I have already done permutation. Please check it out. I will try to help you in some other video as well. Yes, Sagar. Hello, Samita. Welcome, Samita. So nice to see you. So people, what is the answer for this question? What was the question? Can you please repeat it? Only 61 people have got it correct. Why? What was the reason? Can anybody tell me? Why only 61 answers? What was the question about? Can anybody please let me know the question, because I didn't see the question. Okay, so guys, they asked you what is A dot B cross C equal to. So A dot B cross C is nothing but box of ABC. And guys, box of ABC is equal to box of BCA, and that is equal to box of CAB. So they gave you CAB in the option, right? C dot A cross B is also the same. So this and this are equal. That is why option D, my dear students, is correct. This comes from properties of scalar triple product. It comes from properties of scalar triple product. Got it? Did you guys like it? Very good. No, Aisha Salma, the question was A dot B cross C. Okay, I hope it was A dot B cross C. Please check it again. So shall I move forward, people? Did you all enjoy this? Priyanshu, yes Priyanshu, I will definitely talk about the general questions at the end, not right now. Right now, please focus on the session. Everybody please focus on the session. I want all of you to concentrate here. And people who are watching in YouTube, try to join in Menti, no? It'll be nice. If you have more participants, it'll be very interesting and it makes the class more competitive. So if you have a laptop or a phone with you, please make sure to join. Yes, Vishwa, tomorrow is the sure shot session, our flagship session. It is one of the most awaited sessions in our channel. So don't forget to attend it. It will definitely help you to get at least 10-15 marks in your JEE Mains if you just attend my session tomorrow along with Shreyas Sir and Wasim Sir. Got it? So tomorrow, the sure shot session, the most awaited session of our channel is going to be live. Don't forget to attend. The timing will be at 5:30 in the evening, followed by Shreyas Sir at 7 o'clock, followed by Shimon Sir at 9 p.m. Okay, so it will start from 5:30, it will go up to 10:30, 11. So definitely make sure to attend it. Got it? So people, what is the answer for this? Volume of tetrahedron is nothing but 1/6 of ABC. So it is 1/6 of the scalar product. And what is volume of parallelepiped? Volume of parallelepiped. Can anybody answer that in the chat? Let me see how many of you are already aware of this. Volume of parallelepiped, which has the sides as A vector, B vector, C vector. Very good. Very good. You guys are awesome. You guys are awesome. You guys are all so serious, man. I love it. I really love the energy and excitement you guys have. So people, if you have a parallelepiped, what is a parallelepiped? A parallelepiped is a parallelogram which is extended in the third dimension. It is nothing but a parallelogram which is extended in the third dimension. So when you have ABC as the three adjacent vectors representing the three sides of a parallelepiped, then the three edges of a parallelepiped, then the volume is given by this formula. Got it? Everybody cool with it? And tetrahedron is 1/6 of that volume. Cool? Fantastic. So here we go, people. The next question for you. Question number 26 on your screen right now. Please do it, my dear students. Yes, Maria Majas, please tell me. Tomorrow, Arya, we have the sure shot 60 questions. So that means the most expected 60 questions will be discussed. 20 in maths, 20 in chemistry, 20 in physics. Okay, so please try to attend. Yes, Samir, you are very, very correct, Samir. Very good, Samir. That's awesome. Please tell me what you did not understand, Mariam. I will try to help you. Hello, Cyrus. Welcome, Cyrus. Very nice to see you here, man. So B cross C cross A. This is very nice formula. I don't know how many of you have got it correct. I'm so happy 79 people got it correct. Okay, this is a nice formula. That is why I'm excited. Because guys, let me tell you some secret. You will really enjoy this. Please, please listen to me carefully. When it is important, I always tell it is important. So first of all, please listen carefully. Jay Ajinkya, I will continue that, man, after JEE Mains is over. Okay, after JEE Mains is over. Now please listen carefully. So this is called as vector triple product. Very good, Aryan. Why? Because you have three vectors and you have vector product all the way. So it is called as vector triple product. So when you have that, what I will do is I will write it as minus of A cross B cross C. Can I do that? Is that okay, my dear children? Is that okay, my dear children? Everybody cool with it? Yes? Ritvik, I am coming to that. Because I know, because I was also a student like you, right? I also know only what Ritvik told. So Ritvik was saying, sir, I know only for A cross B cross C, sir. But what is this? You are asking exactly what I don't know. no problem, Ritik. You change it like that. Now you can apply, now. This is very easy. This is what? 1, 2, 3. You will write it as what? 1, 3, 2 minus 1, 2, 3. That's how I remember it. So 1, 3, 2 means what? AC. So A dot C times of B vector minus of 1, 2, 3, which will be A dot B times of C vector. Now this with a minus sign I have to write. So this will be written first. So it will be A dot B times of C vector minus A dot C times of B vector over. This is how you learn. Did you like it? Very good, Rekha Sati. That's amazing. Very good, very good. Very good, Ritvik. Awesome, man. So Neelima, the class will end at 8:30 most probably. We'll continue for 1 more hour. Okay, 8:30 or 9 we'll complete it. Very good, Asta. Very good, Dheeraj. Fantastic, Neha. Brilliant. So Priya, please pull the video back and have a look at it. So Neha ma'am taught you guys as Dur se pass. Guys, I don't know Hindi, so I will teach you in mathematics. 1, 3, 2 minus 1, 2, 3. That's how I remember it. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed it. You can take this also and make a note of it. Or if you feel that method is also easy, then keep it like that. It's okay. Whatever is easy for you. Ultimately, it doesn't matter how you learn it. As long as you know it, it's fine. Got it? Lovely people. You guys are awesome. Brilliant. So guys, shall I move forward? Great, Rahul. So Benz Allen, I will not tell in Tamil, man. I will tell it in maths. 1, 3, 2 minus 1, 2, 3 is the way you listen. Okay, so if you have A cross B cross C in bracket, that is gonna be 1, 3, 2 minus 1, 2, 3. So 1 is A, 3 is C. So A dot C, it is 1 dot 3 times 2 vector. So 1 dot 3 is what? A dot C. 2 is only B vector. Minus of 1, 2, 3. So ABC. The first two will be dot product and the third one will be a vector outside that. This is a constant. This will come out to be a constant, scalar quantity. Understood? I hope you guys liked it. Now let's move forward to the next question, my dear students. The next question is nothing but your 27th question, my dear students. So here we go, guys. 27th question for you. Everybody please try to solve it. Neelam Sharma, I think it might get cancelled, man, because this class itself will go up to 9 o'clock. Okay. So mock test, I'm not sure. Either I'll take a break for 1 hour, I'll eat food and I'll again come back, or we'll have to do it tomorrow. Got it? So guys, please try to answer this. This is a formula which is very useful in vectors as well as 3D. It is very useful in vectors as well as 3D, but I'm surprised only a few people have got it correct. Okay, so what did we have? We had two lines. So we had two line equations. So R is equal to A1 vector plus lambda B vector, and we have another line, R is equal to A2 vector plus mu B vector. So do you all agree that these two lines are parallel? Do you all agree that these two lines are parallel? Everybody cool with it? Everybody is cool with it? Now, if these two lines are parallel, then what is the shortest distance between them? We have a formula in NCERT, right? So it is going to be modulus of A2 minus A1 cross B divided by modulus of B. Are you all fine with that? So this is given by your NCERT textbook. You can find the derivation over there. This is important. Are you all clear? Everybody fine with it? So shall we move forward? I hope you guys are all clear. Yes, Sujay, we will find the leaderboard after 2 questions. Please wait for me. Fantastic, Sakshi. I'm so happy you saw it now. Sakshi, I will tell you one more. This is the shortest distance between two parallel lines. But there is one more formula. Distance between two skew lines. Shortest distance between two skew lines. That is also important. So make sure you guys check that out. You need to do that extra work. So don't blindly just study. Shimon Sir taught me 58 formulas today. I will study only that and go to the exam. If nothing comes, I will come and tell his session was a waste. That is not the attitude, guys. If I tell you 58 formulas, you should learn 200 related to what I gave. You should learn 200 related to what I gave. That is how a good student will extrapolate. Got it? So please do that. Now let's move forward. Okay, so let's go to the next question. The next question is 28th question. So we have 2 more questions to go before I show you the leaderboard. So please do that, guys. Everybody, I want maximum number of people to participate. This is the distance between 2 parallel planes. So if you have 2 planes, what is the distance between them? It is very similar to that straight lines formula. Okay, it is very similar to that straight lines formula. Very good, Rajashekar, that's fantastic. Yes, Ankit, I will try to do it, Ankit. Okay, so people, the answer is a very simple option A, and you guys are absolutely right. So distance between 2 planes is what? So if you have 2 planes, let's say A1x plus B1y plus C1z plus D1 is equal to 0, and you have the same A1x plus B2y plus B1y plus C1z plus D2. So these 2 are parallel. Why they are parallel? Because the direction cosines or direction ratios of the normal are the same. So if the direction ratios of the normal are same, these 2 are said to be parallel planes. So if they are parallel planes, the distance between them is given by modulus of D2 minus D1 divided by square root of A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square. Just like your straight lines. In straight lines, if you have AX plus BY plus C1 is equal to 0, and if you have AX plus BY plus C2 is equal to 0, then your distance between the straight lines is given by modulus of C2 minus C1 divided by root of A square plus B square. So that is the formula in straight lines. This is the formula in 3D for planes. I hope you guys got it. Everybody cool? So shall I move forward? Yes? Brilliant, people. So this is an easy one. So I just wanted to correlate both. Straight lines in 2 dimension is similar to planes. One more misconception which people have is they think straight line in 2D is the same thing as straight lines in 3D. No. No. Straight line in 2D is similar to planes in 3D. Don't forget that. Okay, that's a good point. Now let's move forward. So 29th question, guys. After this, only one question to show the leaderboard. I hope all of you are excited. I want to see many participants here. Let's take this number to 200. Okay, so we have quite a few more minutes left out before we wrap it up. We are exactly in the halfway mark. We still have more time to go. So people, please try to solve it. Everybody. If these 2 lines are perpendicular, then what is the product of B1 and B2? Laddu question. I don't think you need this much time to solve it. I don't think you need this much time to solve it. It's basically a Laddu question. Okay, Chandresh, Aman, Ankit, Benz Allen, Sai Charan, you guys are all fantastic. Who is that? 1. Danush, what are you doing? Guys, the answer is 0. What is this? These are very, very bad. 24 and 25 people. Guys, if you have 2 lines which are perpendicular, then their dot product is 0. Because what is B1 and B2? B1 and B2 is the direction, right? So if they are perpendicular, their dot product must be 0, guys. Don't ever forget that, okay? Don't ever forget that. So shall I move forward? Everybody clear with it? Very good, very good. So let's move forward to the 30th question. After this, I will show you guys the leaderboard. Everybody please do it. Come on, people, the 30th question. After this, the leaderboard will be popping up. So I'm really excited to see who is at the top. This is from 3-dimensional geometry. If L, M and N are direction ratios or direction cosines, then what is the relationship between them? If L, M and N are the direction cosines of a line, what is the relationship between them? Please answer it, my dear students. The answer is what? The answer is fantastic. Everybody got it correct. Maximum number 134. So guys, L is nothing but cos alpha. where alpha is the angle which the line makes with x-axis, and m is nothing but cos beta, where beta is the angle which the line makes with the y-axis, and n is nothing but cos of gamma, where gamma is the angle which the line makes with the z-axis. Okay, so here the relationship between them is L square plus m square plus n square is equal to 1. Don't ever forget that. This is only for direction cosines, not for direction ratios. This is valid only for direction cosines. Clear? So we will move forward, then we will go to the next one. Now the leaderboard. The leaderboard is right on your screen. Let me see who has gone up to the top. So we see that Aishwarya comes back to number 1 spot. Aishwarya has gained her spot to the top spot, and Rishi is following her, followed by Vikas, Vivek, Vaishali, very good, KV, very good, Deekshita, Pooja, Dhanush, Royal Pirate. You guys are killing it. You guys are awesome. So everybody now knows where you stand. Guys, come on, catch up. It is gonna be fun. So we are just at the halfway mark. So we still have a long way to go. Please work hard and try to get the right answer. Okay. So let's go forward, guys. The 31st question, right on your screen. Thank you, people. Everybody is enjoying Pi Day. That's fantastic. Very good, Banu. No problem, Banu. Okay. Great, Shakti. Rishabh Gupta, please try to join the session. Come to menti.com and use this code so that you can also be a part of this wonderful session. Okay, we are trying to revise the formula together. Where are you from? Alap Sheri Suresh. I am from Chennai, man. I am basically from Tamil Nadu, but I work in Vedantu, Bangalore. Okay, so I did my B.Tech from IIT. If you do not know me, I will explain myself or introduce myself at the end, not right now. Right now, let's move forward, people. Let's go solve some questions. So people, this is the 31st question, I guess. So guys, it is B cap, okay? It is B cap. Otherwise, all the 4 are wrong. It is supposed to be B cap, so make a note of that. When I'm explaining, I will redo it, but it's better you make a note of it so that you will never go wrong. So people, please complete it. Last 5 questions. Are you sure? Last 5 seconds. Hello, Jebastin. Welcome, man. Jebastin Jesslyn, so nice to see you here. Welcome, man. So people, the answer is option B. Many of you have gone wrong. So what does that mean? That means I have to explain. So you need to wait. Don't keep texting. Don't keep telling, sir, move fast, sir. Guys, please wait. Because see, 50 people have gone wrong, more than 50. So that means I have to explain. So wait for 1 minute. So when you have 2 vectors, let's say you have A vector like this, and let's say you have B vector. What is projection of A on B? Projection of A on B means like this vector, I want to know its shadow on B. Think of it like that. That's the best way. That's the best way to visualize it. Okay, that's the best way to visualize it. So projection of A on B means I want to find the shadow length of A on B. So that is given by A vector dot B cap, my dear. A vector dot B cap. Are you all clear? So that's going to be what? That's going to be A vector modulus of A vector modulus of B cap times of cos theta. Are you clear with it? So that is the way you do it. So that's going to be mod A cos theta, where theta is the angle between A and B. That is the way you do it, my dear friends. Are you all cool with it? Did you all like it? Yes? So shall I move forward? Yes? Fantastic job, guys. You guys are awesome. Now let us move forward to the next one, which is right on your screen now. This is the 32nd question, and I want everybody to try it out. Here we go. So we have a plane and we have a line. So I want to find out the angle between a plane and a line. This is important. and I'm sure some of you will go wrong. I'm very sure some of you will go wrong, so better be careful. Everybody better be careful. Discourage. So people are saying I'm discouraging. Today I'm getting lot of bad comments. I don't know why. Guys, I'm not discouraging, man. I'm just challenging you. Take it in a positive manner, okay? So I want to see how many of you have gone wrong and how many of you have got it correct. Okay? No, I'm just kidding, man. Don't worry. I don't mind you guys telling me what you feel. So don't worry, I'm just challenging you. Okay? So to know whether you guys can crack it or not. Because this was a nice catch. Again, what was the question? I was talking and I got distracted. Can anyone tell me the question? Everybody? Please, question people. Come on, all my ninjas. Let me know in the chat. Angle between what, man? Plane and line, I'm sorry. Thank you for reminding me, Aishwarya. So now, the thing is, for a plane now, there is nothing which describes the angle or direction of a plane. What gives you direction of a plane? It is the normal which gives you direction to the plane. Got it? It is the normal which gives you direction to the plane. So when I say I have a plane, my dear ninjas, everybody, the normal is what I have with me. Now there is a line like this. I want to find this angle, my dear. I want to find this angle. That is the angle between my line and the plane. But for plane there's nothing. I have normal only. So first I will find this phi. What is cos of phi? Cos of phi is normal vector dot the direction vector. Let's say this is direction B divided by modulus of n modulus of B. But now phi plus theta is what I want is equal to pi by 2. So what is phi? Phi is equal to pi by 2 minus theta. So I will put pi by 2 minus theta in place of phi. So I'll get cos of pi by 2 minus theta, which will be sine theta, and that will be equal to this quantity, which is n vector dot b vector by modulus of n vector modulus of b vector. That is a catch. Did you like it? Did you guys enjoy it? Yes, Krish Maheshwari, I taught this in my class. Okay, Arvind Entertainments, you need to revise NCERT. So maybe you can start off with that. Do it right away, Arvind. Don't push it at all. Because right now, you guys should be aggressive. You guys should be very aggressive. So do it right away. If you feel confused, go to NCERT, learn it. That is how you overcome. Okay? Yes, Chandar Rathod, I will definitely go faster, man. Guys, I hope you understood it. Vaishali, see, when you have a plane and a line, if they ask you the angle between them, they want this angle, Vaishali. They want theta. But you can find only phi first. Why you can find phi first? Because to find angle, you need two vectors, na? So you have normal to the plane and you have a line. So you can first get this angle phi only, Vaishali. So from that, I will get theta. What is theta? Theta is pi by 2 minus phi. That is the way you go for it. Understood? That is what I was trying to tell you. So shall I move forward? Yes, fantastic, Vaishali. That's great. So let's proceed to the next question, guys. Alap, that will be 92 percentile, 91 percentile sort of. Around 90 percentile Alap. So this is the next one. When will a plane and a straight line be parallel? When will a plane and a straight line be parallel? A, B, C are the direction ratios of the plane. A1, B1, C1 will be the direction ratios of the line. Very good, Harika. I'm so happy you are enjoying it. So Chandar, are you sure? Are you sure? Come on people, I want everybody to answer. Only 147 have answered. What is this? I want 200 people here. Try to make it 200 guys, come on. The answer is 0 because if you have a plane like this and if you have a line which is parallel to the plane, then both of them will be normal to the normal of the plane. So if this is the normal of the plane, do you all agree it will be perpendicular to the line? So can I say normal vector dot direction of the line should be 0? That's what they gave in the question. So normal vector of plane dot direction of the line will be 0 if they are parallel. Who are parallel? Your line and the plane. If your line and the plane is parallel, then line direction dot normal direction will be 0. Did you all get that? Everybody cool with it? So let us move forward guys. Let's go to the next one. So this is the next question, which is gonna be your 34th one. And guys, I want everybody to be here. I want all of you to join the Menti quiz. And here we go to the 34th question right now. So lambda A, mu B, gamma C. If you take the scalar product of that, how will you simplify it? That is the question. I want all of you to answer it. Unknown, this is just a formula revision session, man. You can do it directly, no. Okay, this is just a formula revision session. So look at your friends, they all have answered it. So if you know the formulas, it is actually very easy, man. Okay, so if you find it hard, please wait for some time. No need to hurry. Varun, yes, NS or no. So lambda A plus, if you have lambda A, mu B, gamma C, so this will be simplifying as lambda mu gamma times of box of ABC. So whenever you have a scalar or a constant in front of these vectors, you can take them outside. Did you all get it? Are you all clear? Everybody? Did you all like it? So whenever you have a constant or a scalar in the front, you will definitely pull it outside. Are you all fine with it, my dear students? Everybody cool with it? Now let's move forward. Let's go to the next one. Okay, so here we go to the next question, which is right on your screen. Please try to solve it, guys. I want maximum participation. This number is slowly falling down. You guys should come to menti.com. I want all of you who are watching in YouTube to be a part of this Menti quiz so that you can also be there in the quiz. You can also be at the top. Let's all experience that. Okay, Angana Sharma, please tell me what is your doubt. Everybody, please do let me know if you have a doubt in the formulas, not anything else. So this is complex numbers, very fun topic, very easy one, very easy one. Please do it. I want all of you to do it. I want all of you guys to do it. Please do it, my dear students. Let me see how many of you are able to correct it. You will learn 4 concepts from this one question. You will learn 4 concepts. I guarantee you. You will learn 4 concepts, okay? Very good, Asta. Yes, look at this. So this shows people are making mistakes in algebra. So you see only 62 people have got it correct. First of all, guys, modulus of Z1, Z2, Z3, Z4 till Zn can be written as mod Z1, mod Z2, mod Z3 and all the way up to mod Zn. This is a property of complex number modulus operation. So if you have mod Z1, Z2, my dear students, you can write it as mod Z1 into mod Z2. Are you all fine with that? So don't ever forget that. Don't ever forget that. Clear? Rahul, these are all not questions, man. These are all just formulas. Please understand the purpose of this class. Okay, these are all not questions. These are all formulas. And guys, what is argument of Z1 plus argument of Z2? So this is a property of argument and it is very similar to logarithms. So argument of A plus argument of B is argument of AB. So it will be argument of Z1, Z2. Did you all understand it? So the product will split as addition, not multiplication. So that is why second one was wrong, first one was correct. And the next one is, if you have modulus of Z1 plus Z2, guys, it is not equal to mod Z1 plus mod Z2 always. It can be. I will teach you when it can be, but not always. It can be equal and I have a question on that. So think about it. Right now start thinking about it because I have a question coming up on that. Now the next one is modulus of Z1 plus Z2 is greater than or equal to mod Z1 plus mod Z2. Guys, this is absolutely wrong. Because in fact it's the other way. It's the other way which is correct. Modulus of Z1 plus Z2 is less than mod Z1 plus mod Z2. Did you all like it, my dear students? Did you all enjoy it? Did you learn 4 good concepts? Did you learn 4 good concepts? Did you all like it? So shall I move forward? This is called as a triangular inequality. Yes, Rahul, you're right. I will give it to you. Brilliant people. So we will move forward to the next question, my dear students. Okay. So here we go. This is the 36th question if I'm not wrong. Yes, it is 36th question. And we have a lot of participants. That's a great sign. People, please try to participate. Come to menti.com so that we can all be a part of this wonderful class. Okay. So here we go. Everybody try to solve it. Pinky Rastogi, go to menti.com and use this code. I have given you the message in the chat. I have given you the message in the chat. Please use that message and try to join in. Hi Deepa Srinivas, very warm welcome. Lovely to see you. Vaishali, no problem Vaishali. This will be a good start. From here, you try to revise it, Vaishali, okay? And people, you guys are all so smart. You guys are all so smart. So guys, if this is given, can I say modulus of this should be equal to modulus of this? So can I say root of a square plus b square, my dear students, should be equal to root of c square plus d square? So can I cancel root both sides? So I'll get a square plus b square is equal to c square plus d square, which is nothing but your option D, and which is why a lot of your friends are correct. Did you enjoy it? Did you like it? So if this and this are equal, then their modulus will also be equal. If their modulus is equal, then this is how it opens. Then this is how it opens. Then I will square on both sides. I'll get the answer. I'll move forward. Done? Done. Okay. So next question, 37th one. Please try to solve it. Yes, Chandar Rathod, the leaderboard will be shown at the end of 40 questions. So please wait for it, my dear. Okay. After 40 questions, I will show you the leaderboard. Please wait for it. So this is again a nice question, but very simple, I feel. Very simple, and you will be able to get it. Okay. Everybody try to solve it. So how many of you have got it correct? Why did people go wrong? Come on, guys. Why did people go wrong in this one? This is surprising. Okay, so let me solve it. So people, so what did you have? You had something very similar to the previous one, right? So when you have mod of z square, you can write it as mod of z into z. You can write it as mod z into mod z. You can write it as mod z whole square. So this is correct now, which is option B. So absolutely right. So many people have got it correct. Are you all clear? So this is the way you solve it. This was an easy one. Very surprising that people have gone wrong. Okay. Now let's move forward. Let's go to the next one. No problem, Jayashri. Welcome, Jayashri. I'm so happy to see you. This is the 38th question, people. So we are right now in the 38th question. And after 2 questions, I will show you the leaderboard. So please wait for it. Now only I told you, I'm going to ask a question based on this. Let me see how many of my ninjas are right. How many ninjas are getting this correct? Let's see. Venisha, I got used to it. Initially I used to feel, but now it's like I'm so used to it, so I don't feel anything. And moreover, you guys are always in the chat, right? So I don't feel bad. So guys, what is the answer? When will this happen? So if you have mod of Z1 plus Z2 is equal to mod Z1 plus mod Z2, when is this possible? This is possible when argument of Z1 is the same as argument of Z2. Only then it will happen. Did you all like it? That is why option C is correct. That is why option C is correct, my dear. Are you all cool with it? Yes? Everybody? Fantastic question. I'll tell you why. I'll tell you why. Very, very clearly, I want you to listen. And Saitama, what is option D? Can you please let me know? I don't know what is option D, man. So Saitama is saying, sir, option D also might be correct. Then please tell me what is option D. Because option C is this one, it's pakka correct. I'll tell you why it's correct. Listen carefully now. So if you have, let's say, one Z1 on this and Z2 on this. Okay. So let's say this is theta. So what is Z1? Z1 is equal to modulus of Z1 e to the power iota theta. And what is Z2? Z2 is modulus of Z2 into e to the power iota theta. So my dear students, what is Z1 plus Z2? Z1 plus Z2 whole modulus is nothing but mod Z1 into e to the power iota theta plus mod Z2 into e to the power iota theta. So I can write it as mod of Z1 plus Z2 into mod of e to the power iota theta, which is nothing but mod of mod Z1 plus mod Z2. So that will be mod Z1 plus mod Z2. So if they have the same angle, you can separate e to the power iota theta outside, and that modulus is 1, my dear students. So that is why you see mod of Z1 plus Z2 whole will be equal to mod Z1 plus mod Z2, provided they have the same argument. They have the same argument. Did you all like it? Did you all enjoy this question? Are you guys cool with it? So shall I move forward? Shall I move forward? Priyanshu, option D is not correct then. Option D is not correct. Saitama, it's not right, because if you say mod Z1 is equal to mod Z2, then Z1 and Z2 are two complex numbers on a circle. Do you understand that first? If I say mod Z1 equal to mod Z2, that means Z1 and Z2 are two complex numbers on a circle. So let's take a very simple example. So let's take Z1 to be here, and let's take your Z2 to be here. So Z2 is minus a comma 0 and Z1 is a comma 0. Now both their modulus are same. So can I say mod of Z1 plus Z2 is equal to mod Z1 plus mod Z2? Absolutely not, because mod Z1 plus Z2 is 0, whereas this is a plus a, which will be 2a. So are they equal? Of course they are not equal. So my interpretation that option D is correct is absolutely wrong. So C is the only correct option. That is how you work. That is how you get better. Got it? Did you like it? So shall I move forward? Okay, people. So let's proceed to the next question. I'm going to close this on and go forward. Okay, so let's see how many participants are there. I hope there's an increase. So we are at the 39th question, and I'm going to go up to 40 before I show the leaderboard. Okay, so I will be showing the leaderboard in some time. So please catch up, people. This is the 39th question right on your screen. Please solve it. So it's almost 8 o'clock already. So the value of x, guys, x is a real number. X is a real number. X is a real number. Please note it and then do it. X is a real number. Please note it and then do it. Okay. Time is up. So if you have a negative real number, what is the argument? And only 58 people got it correct. What is this? So let's draw the argon plane. This is called as your real axis. This is called as your imaginary axis. So if you have a real number will lie only in the real axis. And we have a negative real number. Negative real number means it will be over here. It will be on the negative side, only this side. So what is the argument of this? Argument is the angle which the line joining the origin to the number. Let's say x is over here. Let's say x is over here. So the angle which line joining origin to x makes with the positive x-axis. So this angle is pi. So the answer is pi, which is option B. That is how you do it. Are you clear? Are you guys clear with it? That is how you do it. I hope you guys are all fine with it. Never ever make a mistake in this. When you have a negative real number, the argument is pi. When you have a positive real number, the argument is 0. When you have a positive imaginary number, the argument is pi by 2. When you have a negative imaginary number, the argument is minus pi by 2. Don't ever go wrong in this. Don't ever go wrong in this. Okay? So shall I move forward, people? Let's go ahead to the 40th question, after which we will have a look at the leaderboard. Okay? So here is the 40th question for all of you. Please try to solve it, my dear. Everybody. This is a wonderful question. Wonderful, wonderful question. Positive 0 because it will lie on the positive direction of x-axis, right? If it lies on the positive direction of x-axis, then the angle which it makes with the x-axis will be 0. That is why Safwan Ahmad. I hope you liked it. Shantakumar, yes man, I am from Tamil Nadu, so you can count me as one. But there are lots of people from Kerala, from Andhra, from Telangana, from North, lots and lots of wonderful students. So let's have a fantastic time. But why is this? Why is this happening? What, only 36 people? Guys, what is happening? Let me explain it. Now listen carefully. I'm gonna blow your minds. Okay, I'm gonna blow away your minds. So please listen carefully. You will love it. So what do we have? We have mod of z1 plus z2 is equal to modulus of z1 minus z2. Is that correct, my dear? So I'm going to divide by mod z2 on both sides. I'm going to divide by mod z2 on both sides. So this will become what? z1 by z2 plus 1, and this will be z1 by z2 minus 1. So let's take z1 by z2 as some complex number z. Okay, so it's nothing but mod z plus 1 is equal to mod z minus 1. Is that clear? Are you all cool with it? Everybody? Are you all cool with it? So what does this mean? Mod of z plus 1 is equal to mod of z minus 1. That means the distance of z from minus 1 and from plus 1 is the same. That means the distance of z from minus 1 and plus 1 is the same. So if my z is equidistant from both of them, that is the perpendicular bisector. What is the perpendicular bisector? The perpendicular bisector is the y-axis, or in argon plane we call it the imaginary axis. So if it is lying on the imaginary axis, then it will be purely imaginary. Lovely. Did you guys like it? Did you guys like it? Yes, answer can be 0, but that's not the entire answer, na Niketan. The entire answer is imaginary axis. Sebastian Jocelyn, 0 is also an answer, but it is not entirely correct because the entire answer is it lies on the imaginary axis. That is the locus of it. Got it? It's a fantastic question. I hope you enjoyed it. Yes, the time was not sufficient. I do know that. But I hope you guys understood it now. Okay, yes, I do agree, guys. Sai Pragna, I definitely understand that. Yes, Gurumurthy, I will be taking for sure. Okay, so here we go, people. Now we have the leaderboard. Something which I was looking forward to. Let's see who is at the top right now. Let's see if there is any change. Yes, there is a change. There is a change. There's a very tough fight going on for top spot. Vaishali goes to number 1. Great, Vaishali, keep it up. Vikas, followed by Aishwarya, Rishi, Vivek, Danush, Royal Pirate, and we have Pooja. Nirupan is again back, followed by Arjun. Very good job. You guys are awesome. Yes, Subbu Venkat, please tell me what is your doubt. Okay, so here we go, people. The next question for you. 41st question. Guys, we just have 18 more questions. So please stay with me, hurry up, and let's master it together. Okay, so here we go, people. The 41st question. I will go fatafat. I'll go very fast now. Very good, Krish Maheshwari. That's fantastic. Yes, yes, magical paintbrush. I will. We will continue flash series for 11th also. 11th moving to 12th students. Okay. Gurumurthy, I think it will start in April, man. I'm not very sure. I still haven't got any notification, but I'll be starting off by April for sure. Yes, Ashraf, I'm doing better now, Ashraf. Yesterday I was not keeping well. That's why I didn't take the class. But now I'm better. So people, the answer is not C, not B, not A. Rather, it is option D, which is 0. Now everybody will ask me, sir, how is it 0, sir? Why? Why, Shakti? What happened? So people, let me teach you how. This is very, very bad because you look at the numbers, no? Only 25 people got it correct out of 140. Why? That is very, very low percentage. I will explain it to you. Listen carefully because you guys didn't seem to understand the question. Z1 and Z2 are conjugates. Okay. Conjugate means if you have Z1 like this, Z2 will be the reflection of Z1 about the x-axis or real axis. So Z2 will be like this. So argument of Z1, if it is theta, argument of Z2 will be minus theta. Did you all get that? So argument of Z1 is what? Argument of Z2 is what? Are you all clear with it? Similarly, Z3 and Z4 are also conjugates. So if argument of Z3 is something like 5, then argument of Z4 will be minus 5. So that is why when you add all of them, you will get anda. Is that clear now? Did you guys like it? So because what did you have? You had argument of Z1 by Z3 plus argument of Z2 by Z4. Something like this you had, right? So if I expand this, I will get argument of Z1 plus argument of Z2 minus argument of Z3 plus argument of Z4. So this will be 0, this will be 0. So 0 minus 0 is 0. Therefore, option D is correct. Is that cool? Everybody, did you all like it? So shall I move forward? Everybody cool with it? Shall we go ahead? Fantastic, people. That's awesome. That's exactly what I wanted. Now let's move forward to the 42nd question. Yes, Neelam. See, if you want to improve in complex numbers, start off with the basics. Okay, start with the basics like NCERT. Get better at it. Solve miscellaneous questions. Solve exemplar. And once that is done, go to a good standard book like Cengage or solve previous year's questions. That is how you do. That is how you get better. Are you all clear? Very good, Ramuji. That's fantastic, man. I'm so happy. Okay. So people, last few seconds, please hurry up. Only 120 people have answered. What are the others doing? Guys, the answer is option B. I'm so happy. Many people have got it correct. Majority has got it correct. But what about the others? Why is it option B which is the right answer? So let me explain it. Please listen carefully. The roots of this quadratic, please listen carefully. The roots of this quadratic are going to be two consecutive integers. Two consecutive integers. So if you have two consecutive integers, can I say the difference of the roots is 1? How many of you understood that? If there are two consecutive integers which are the roots of this, then the difference of the roots will be 1. Did you all understand that? Yes, Gaminism, you will get the PDF for sure. So what is difference of roots? Difference of roots is equal to 1. What is the formula for difference of roots? Difference of roots is nothing but root d by a. So root d by a is 1. Root d is what? Root of b square minus 4ac by a is what? A is 1. So you will get root of b square minus 4, a is 1. So 4c equal to 1. So square it, you will get b to be the answer. Got it? Yes, Sharanya. Sharanya, we have a session tomorrow at 5:30, Sharanya. Please be a part of it. It is called as the Sure Shot 60 questions. Those questions will be repeated most probably. Okay. So try to be there tomorrow at 5:30. Yes, Ramuji, if you want to join the crash course at Vedantu where I teach, check out the description of this video. I will give you the link to join the crash course and the coupon code is also given. So if some of you are interested to join the crash course for your April attempt or for your May attempt, you can check out the description of this video. Okay. Yes, Sandhya, I will, of course, because this is an English channel. Okay, everybody clear with this? So I hope you guys liked it. Now we will move forward to the next question. Okay. Guys, come on, we have a lot of questions to cover. Let's move forward fast. 43rd question. And how many participants do we have? I want everybody to participate with full effort. We are just in the 43rd question. We still have 15 questions to go. Please try to solve this. This is a fantastic question. Let me see if you guys are right. Yes, Clay Tsunami, you can do that. You can try to do that. But still, did that help you reach the answer? That is a bigger question. So, Gaminism crash course is a separate course. It is for 7,000 rupees. The crash course is just 7,000 rupees. So, if you are interested, check it out in the video description. The answer for this question, my dear students, is option B. And I'm so happy many of you got it correct. Because guys, we have a plus b plus c is 0. And we are given a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is 0. So what is the root of this? So if I put x equal to 1, I will get a plus b plus c is 0. And hence 1 will be a root pakka. So 1 is a root of this equation for sure. That is how you do it. So it is based on observation. Siva, that is a very important session tomorrow at 5:30. That will be good for you. So please try to join in. Okay. So let's move forward to the next question, which is the 44th one, I guess. Okay. So here we go, people. We are moving very fast. That is good. Good. Please do it. This is a fantastic question again. Fantastic question. You will enjoy it. I am sure you will enjoy it. Last 5 seconds, people. And your time is over. And yes, Shakti, you're right. That is fantastic because guys, it is option B which is the right answer. Okay. It is B which is the right answer. So I will explain it. Please listen carefully. This is a nice question. Okay. So what do we have? We have ax square plus bx plus c, and it is given that a plus c is less than b. So can I say, my dear students, it is a minus b plus c is less than 0. So can I say f of 1 is less than 0? If I take this as f of x, Now my dear students, these questions are brilliant because they told very clearly that this quadratic has non-real roots. They told this quadratic has non-real roots. So if it has non-real roots, then it will be either upward opening parabola or downward opening parabola. It will be either above the x-axis or it will be the below x-axis. Are you clear with it? F of minus 1, yes. F of minus 1, you're right. Who is that? I think Sindhu is right. Sindhu, you're absolutely right, Sindhu. Thank you for pointing that out. So this is f of minus 1. Because if I put minus 1, a into minus 1 square is a, b into minus 1 is minus b, c into nothing is there, so c only. So this is f of minus 1 and it is lesser than 0. Now why did they give this? They gave this because now you can tell me which one of these graphs will it be? Which one of these graphs will this be? This function f of x. It will be the above one or the below one. You tell me. No stuff one. The crash course is all three subjects together. It is all three subjects together. All three put together 7,000 only. Very good, Sindhu. It is the below one. That is why they gave it. So can I say f of x is always negative because it is always below the x-axis? So can I say f of minus 2 is less than 0? So can I say 4a minus 2b plus c is less than 0? So can I say 4a plus c is less than 2b? Wonderful, na? Wonderful, right? Did you like it? Very good question, na? That is how you do it. I hope you enjoyed it. So yeah, with that we will move forward, guys. Okay? So here we go. This is the next question which I have for you, which is the 45th one. Come on people, everybody please try to solve it. The number of real solutions of the equation e to the power x and x. This is a nice question. Let's see how many of you get it correct. Please do it. I want everybody to participate. Slowly your energy is coming down. What is this? It is just 8 o'clock and you guys are all tired. I have been teaching from 6 o'clock. Come on guys, you need to be more energetic. You cannot give up now. Okay, very good Priyanshu. I'm so happy you enjoyed it. So yes, Aravind, I will explain it, Aravind. Please wait for me. The answer is 0, my dear. Because e to the power x is a very positive function for all x. And it will be like this. And y equal to x will be a function like this. So they will never meet. It will always be growing above x only. Because at 0, x is 0, this is 1. E power x will be 1 at 0. And after that, it is an exponential increasing function. So the slope of that will also be higher. So that is how it will grow. And y equal to x has slope 1, which is a very small slope as compared to this. So that is why they will never intersect. They'll have 0 solution. That is why the answer is 0. Did you all like it? Hello Shiva Kashyap, welcome man. Very good Krish Maheshwari, fantastic. Did you all enjoy this? Yes Ritvik, we will move forward. Okay, so the answer is 0 to the next one. Thank you Clay Tsunami, I'm so happy you are enjoying it. 46th question my dear. Everybody please try to solve it. Hello Shruti, welcome. Very nice to see you here. What is the graph given here corresponding to? Is it A positive, B negative, C positive, B square minus 4AC 0? Think about it and tell me. Shiny, I'm not sure whether I'll be able to do that, Shiny, because this session itself will go till 8:30, 8:45. So I need some break. I will try to see if I can do. Otherwise, I'll do it tomorrow. Okay, so guys, the answer for this question is option C, which is 23 people only got it correct. Why, guys? Sangeeta, if you want to join Menti, go to www.menti.com and use this code, Sangeeta. Okay, and then you can participate. I will explain it, guys. Please listen carefully. So we had ax square plus bx plus c, and we had a function like this. So we had a function like this. Got it? So we had x1 here, x2 here. Now listen carefully. First of all, A is negative. So that is the first observation. Why? Because it's a downward opening parabola. What is the place where it cuts the y-axis? It cuts the y-axis above the x-axis. So this is your C, right? Because if I put x equal to 0, the curve will meet at C. And since it's above the x-axis, I can say C is positive, which was C option. So that's correct. Now B, you cannot comment on it because the vertex, I don't know whether it is positive or negative. Can I comment on the vertex? If I have to comment on the vertex, then I need to know x1 and x2 magnitude. If x1 is more magnitude than x2, then the vertex will be to the left. If x2 is more magnitude than x1, then the vertex will be to the right. So since I don't know their respective magnitudes, I cannot comment on B. Understood? That is the right way. Next is discriminant is greater than 0. Why? We have two distinct roots. So discriminant is greater than 0. So b square minus 4ac will be greater than 0. Understood? That is the way we do it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Very practical, very conceptual question. Let's move forward to the 47th question. We are going at good speed. Okay? A is not positive now, Ritvik. A is negative, right? A is negative. A is negative. Okay, please check it. Jayashree, I have done complex numbers, quadratic, coordinate geometry, vectors, 3D and all. This is a nice question. Let me see how many of you got it correct. Okay, a lot of people have got it correct, 69 people. So what is the question? It is nothing but P of A complement intersection B complement. So my dear students, can I write this as P of A union B the whole complement? Is that okay? Because guys, I hope you know De Morgan's laws. A union B the whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. Very simple. So therefore, this is equal to 1 minus P of A union B. Is that okay? Everybody? Very simple. I didn't use any great formula. I used a very basic formula. I hope you guys are clear with it. I didn't do anything fancy. And that is nothing but option B, guys. I hope you're all clear. With that, let's move forward to the next question. Everybody please do it. Everybody please do it. So 48th question is right on your screen. Please try to solve it. No Harshavardhani, of course I know you. Sangeeta, you can definitely join. Please try to load it. I am not sure why that's happening. So guys, the question is P of A union B. Yes, Sujata, we are almost going very fast. We are going at a good pace. We will try to complete it, don't worry. Pinky Rastogi, you have to go to menti.com and use the code which I have shown here. So many people are right in this question. So this is nothing but P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Okay, so that's the formula for this. I hope you understood it. This was an easy one. I just wanted to revise these formulas. No. Now we have the leaderboard standings. Let me just have a look at it. So guys, as you can see here, we have had a fantastic fight for the top spot. Still Vaishali is at the top, followed by Vikas, Aishwarya, Vivek, Rishi, Dhanush, Zain, Royal Pirate, Pooja, Nirupan. You guys are awesome. Now let's move forward to the next question, which is the 51st question. Just 8 more questions to go. Please hurry up, my dear students. Everybody, try to hurry up. Please participate if you are there in YouTube. Try to join us. It'll be fun. Okay, very few questions left out. This is conditional probability. Please try to answer it. What is the probability of B given that A has already occurred? Everybody please do it and then we will go for it. Everybody please try to solve it, guys. It is nothing but what? Fantastic. Let me see how many of you are right. Very good, my dear. Very good, students. You guys are awesome. It is indeed option A which is the right answer, because when you have P of B by A, which is conditional probability, it is nothing but P of B intersection A divided by P of A. So whatever is there in the bottom will come as P of A, like that. Okay, so if you want P of A by B, how will it be? I will tell you that also. P of A by B will be P of A intersection B divided by P of B. So that is how you write conditional probability. Are you all clear with it? Did you like it? So let's move forward to the next one. Safwan, this is the formula for finding the conditional probability. Okay. So P of B by A means probability that B will occur given that A has already occurred. Understood, Safwan? Probability that B will occur given that A has already occurred, that is equal to probability of B intersection A divided by P of A. It's a direct formula, Safwan. It is from NCERT. Very, very simple. Okay. So next one is over here, 50th question. Please try to do it, my dear students. Everybody. A random variable x takes all these values and is said to follow binomial distribution. If its probability distribution function is given by P of x equal to R, then what is that? A very simple one. Think about it and do it. Everybody please think about it and then do it. So you see only 37 people have got it correct. What is this again? What are you all doing? Everybody. Why did you guys go wrong? Think about it. Okay, so I will explain it. So you have P of x equal to R. That means R times you want success. R times you want success out of n trials. Out of n trials. Okay, so what is the success probability? Success probability is P and failure probability is Q. Failure probability is Q. So out of n times, I will select R times, and in those R times I will have success, and then the remaining Q, in the remaining n minus R times I will have failure. This is how you understand this formula. Did you guys like it? This is how you understand the formula. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Okay? Brilliant, na? This is how I want you to appreciate it. These are all very nice formulas. People call it Bernoulli's trials as well. And many questions in JEE Mains came from this. So please be very careful, my dear students. Okay? Let's move forward to the next one, which is the 51st question. Come on, people. I want everybody to solve this and preferably get it correct as well. In binomial distribution, what is the formula for variance? Look at this. Look at this. Did you all know it before? Let's see, let's see. I will come to know, na? So what is the answer? Okay, many of my students are right. Guys, you guys are awesome. This is a formula from NCERT, okay? Whenever you have a binomial distribution, the variance for that is given by NPQ. What is P? P is the probability of success, Q is the probability of failure, and N is the number of trials. If you know all these three, you can find the variance of a binomial distribution. Very important concept. I'm so happy you guys got it. Mean is NP. Very good, Sai Pragna. You are right. The mean of a binomial distribution is given by NP and the variance is given by NPQ. Very good. Very good. So Aravind, these are all direct formulas. Variance for a binomial distribution, if they ask you, it is nothing but NPQ, where n is number of trials, p is probability of success, q is probability of failure. If they ask mean for a binomial distribution, it is nothing but np, where n is number of trials, p is the probability of success. Got it? Fantastic. So let's go forward to the 52nd question. Please try to solve it, my dear students. Everybody. 52nd question. All of you, please try to solve it. This is again a nice question. Let's see if you guys can crack it. The probability that exactly one of them occurs, not two of them. Okay? Exactly one of them. So think about it. Think about it. Use Venn diagram. Use Venn diagram, understand the concept, and then crack it, my dear students. Everybody. I want everybody to do it. Please try it out. Yes, very good. A is the right answer. Because, guys, if you draw a Venn diagram, how does it look like? So it looks like this. This is A, this is B. So I want exactly one of them to occur. What does exactly one of them mean? It means this region or this region. So can I say it is probability of A union B minus probability of A intersection B. So it will be what? P of A plus P of B minus 2 times of P of A intersection B. Is that correct? So that is how you do it. So that is why option A is the right answer. Did you all like it? Everybody clear with it? So exactly one means only A or only B. That is how you do it. Shall I move forward? You guys liked it? Enjoyed it? Fantastic, guys. Perfect. So let's go to the next question. This is the next one. 53rd question, guys. Come on. Just 5 more to go. So guys, catch up if you can. Just 5 more questions. Don't lose energy. If A and B are two mutually exclusive events, then what can you tell? Mutually exclusive means what? They don't have any intersection. So this is a very nice question. This is a very nice question. PSK Sendil, you have to go to www.menti.com and use this code. Only then you can join. Okay. So people, only 27 people have got it correct. Why? What happened? It was a very nice question, guys. See, first of all, it is not necessary for A to be greater or B to be greater. We have two events which are mutually exclusive. That means they don't have any intersection. So it is not necessary for A to be small, B to be big. It can be the other way also. It can be like this also. This can be A and this can be B also. Got it? But what you can tell for sure is P of A will obviously be lesser than P of B dash. Because P of B dash will be entire outside thing. B dash is what? Everything outside B. B dash is everything outside B. So probability of A will definitely be lesser than P of B dash. Did you all understand that? Or at the maximum it can be equal. Got it? So that is why it is option A which is the right answer. Got it? I hope you guys enjoyed it. You cannot say that P of A is greater than P of B. Who told you? Nobody told that in the question. You cannot say P of B is greater than P of A. Nobody told that in the question. You can't judge that. Got it? So that is why it is important. Okay. Fantastic. So let us move forward to the next question, guys. Okay. Thank you, Sangeeta. I'm so happy you enjoyed it. So people, 54th question. Everybody, please do it. Come on, guys. Okay, this is what is the formula for mean deviation. Very simple, straightforward formula. Yes, Siva, we will try to do it. Who is that coronavirus? Yes, Hitesh. Hitesh, please remind me, man, again. Okay, so guys, the formula for mean deviation is mean deviation about mean is given by the formula sigma xi minus x bar modulus divided by n. That is the formula. Very simple. It is a very, very simple and straightforward formula. Sindhu, please correct it, Sindhu. It is this formula, xi minus x bar modulus summation divided by n. Understood, Sindhu? That is how you do it. Hello, Samiksha. Welcome, Samiksha. No problem. We're almost going to complete it, Samiksha. So let's move on to the 55th question, guys. Everybody, please try to solve it. Yes, yes. So guys, 55th question is right on your screen. All of you, please do it. This is a formula for standard deviation. How do you figure out standard deviation of a given set of data? That is what you learn from here. Please do it, my dear friends. I want all of you to try it out. It's actually a very good question. Very good, Sai Pragna. You guys are fabulous. Very good, Aishwarya, Ritvik, Sujata, Shankar. You guys are crazy, brilliant, man. So the formula for standard deviation is nothing but square root of variance, which is equal to square root of sigma xi minus x bar the whole square divided by n, or it is square root of sigma xi square by n minus x bar the whole square. So this is what they gave. So this was option D. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So both these formulas are correct for standard deviation. Both these formulas are correct for standard deviation. I hope you guys have understood it. So shall I move forward? Mean of the squares minus square of the mean. Absolutely. Wonderful formula, Pooja. You're right. Okay. You are absolutely right. So here we go. 56th question. Just two more. Just two more after this. So please do it, my dear children. Everybody try to solve it. I want you to find the standard deviation for these observations. Okay, a very nice question based on change of scale. It is based on change of scale. It's the same thing, Dhanush. I just wrote it interchangeably. N and N are nothing but the number of terms, number of observations. Okay, the answer, my dear students, is nothing but option C. And you guys are awesome. So when you have xi and the mean of it is x bar and the standard deviation of it is sigma, if you change it to xi plus or minus c, the mean will become x bar plus or minus c, but the standard deviation will not change. Because standard deviation, I don't care if you add or subtract something to every individual observation. But if you multiply by something to every observation, the mean will become Cx bar. The standard deviation will also become C sigma. So in this question, initially the standard deviation was S. Now every observation is multiplied by K. So now it will become what? It will become Ks. So that's the answer. Ks is the right answer, which is option C. 52 people got it correct, but still I expected more. Okay, are you all cool with it? Shall I move forward? Everybody cool with this? Guys, shall we move on to the next one? We just have two more questions and here we go. The last but two. Last but one question. So here we go, 57th question, guys. Come on. Yes, Sarita. We will finish it off. Don't worry. We are almost done. So I'm trying to cover all the formulas. This is coefficient of variation. You guys will definitely thank me later. So what is the answer? Yes, yes. But President of Heaven, please try to look at session 1 also. Okay. So guys, the question is very, very interesting. So what is coefficient of variance? It is nothing but sigma by x bar into 100. So first they gave what? Can you guys tell me first what they gave? They gave, can you tell me the data guys? I don't have the data. So sigma is equal to CV into x by 100. X bar. Okay, so first they gave what values? Can you please tell me the values? Sigma 1 is equal to CV1. They gave 50 and 30. Yeah. 50 and 30 by 100. So sigma 1 is 15. Sigma 2 they gave it as what? 60 and 25. So that is also same 15. So standard deviation of 1 is 15, standard deviation of 2 is 15. So the difference is 0. Did you like it? You cannot do this unless you know the formula. You know the formula, you get it. How easy it is. Look at it. How easy it is. You look at it. That is why this is important. So this is your takeaway. You should take this very seriously. Coefficient of variance is equal to sigma by mean into 100. Sigma is standard deviation divided by mean into 100. Got it? Very simple. Exactly. So last question for the day. Last question to know who is the ultimate winner for today. I am really excited. I am exhausted. For 3 hours we have been doing it, man. Fantastic. So here we go. The last one for today. Please try to solve it, my dear students. Everybody. Everybody, please try to solve it. All of you. So the answer for this question is gonna be only 40 people, 50 people. Come on, we have 10 more seconds. I want at least 120 people to answer. I want 120 people to answer. Come on, guys. It is based on formula. Everybody, please answer it. 5, 4, 3, 2. Come on, push it. Okay, 110, not bad. Yes, Ganga, I know, Uttarakhand. So guys, the formula is mean minus mode is equal to 3 times of mean minus median. So this is an empirical formula. Usually it follows, usually it obeys, okay, for a distribution. So mean is what? 21 minus mode is x is equal to 3 times of 21 minus 22. So I'll have 21 minus x is equal to minus 3. So 24 is equal to x. So what is my mode? My mode is equal to 24, which is the right answer. Are you all clear with that? Everybody? Are you all cool with it? Did you all like it? So shall I move forward? Yup. So that's about it. What is the leaderboard standing? Let's have a look at it. Who is the topper for the day? Did we have a clear-cut winner? Yes, it is Vaishali, I guess. Yes. Fantastic job, Vaishali. Great job. So consistently you are at the top. Brilliant work. And also the others. I want to appreciate Vikas, Vivek, Aishwarya, Zain, Rishi, Dhanush, Royal Pirate, Pooja, and Ayratul Orvan. Okay, Ayratul Orvan. Fine. So people, great job. That is fantastic. I hope you enjoyed it. Now go revise these formulas and always remember, it is not exactly what I taught you, but all the surrounding formulas, all the extrapolations, that is important. Okay? And people, I hope to see you all tomorrow at the short session. It is gonna be really fantastic. Last time 6 to 10 questions were repeated from that class. Okay, so please be a part of that class. And now before you leave, in case you are interested in the crash course, check it out in the video description. I know you guys are writing in April and in May. Maybe by April, May attempt, if you want to improve by 30 to 40 marks, check out the crash course in the description. You will be able to improve by 30 marks. and you can get into the 90 percentile mark. And I will be there to guide you. I will take a few classes of crash course. Not everything, but a few classes. Okay? Mock test. Guys, today's mock test, I think mostly I will not be able to take, guys. I'm already exhausted. I'll try to take it tomorrow. Okay? If possible, I'll try to take it tomorrow. Apart from the short session we have. Okay? Good percentile for NIT Trichy. You should get at least 95 plus if you have category. If you are general, then 98 plus. Okay, Shrija, we will let you know in the Telegram group. Please follow our Telegram group and follow the channel for the next 5-6 days. For the next 5-6 days, please follow the Telegram group and our channel very seriously. We do a lot of good stuff. Okay. Shreya, Sevalar, please follow the channel and the Telegram group. We will definitely let you know. Okay. Thank you guys. You guys are awesome. And it was really lovely to meet all of you. I hope to see you all tomorrow. All the very best, my dear students. Take care. And if possible, check out the crash course because that can help you. Okay. Bye-bye, guys. See you in the next one.